Hello friends, welcome to our channel The Helping Voice. In this video, we will understand that what you can do to make sure that bank does not deduct TDS on your interest income if your total income is not taxable. So basically this is known to many of us, but still this video will be helpful for many people who are not aware of those TDS rules. So basically banks have to deduct TDS when your interest income is more than 40,000 in case of simple individual, and in case of senior citizen if your interest income is more than 50,000, then the bank will be deducting your TDS. So what we can do to avoid the TDS deduction? So basically there are two types of form that we have to submit in the bank. Either we can submit in through online mediums, as few banks are providing these options to submit their 15G and 15H forms through online medium, but basically we need to visit the branches to availing these facilities. So basically we will understand that what is this 15G and 15H form. 15G is for a normal individual and 15H is for people is more than 60 years, that is senior citizen. Basically these are nothing but a self declaration form that an individual submits to the bank requesting them not to deduct their TDS on interest income, as their total income is below the basic exemption limit, that is their base income is not taxable. So they request the bank not to deduct the TDS on their interest income. When we have to submit these 15G and 15H form, we have to submit this form only once during the whole financial year, that is from 1st of April to 31st of March of the upcoming year. So we will reiterate these points. 15G is for a normal individual and 15H is for senior citizen. You must be an resident individual, that is you are having nationality of Indian, to submit these forms in any of the bank. Now we will understand what we can do if in case we were unable to submit these 15G and 15H forms in the bank. So being a banker, first thing that I would like to remind every one of you who is having a considerable amount of FDs in your bank, first make sure that the PAN is attached to your bank. Even if you have forget to submit this 15G and 15H form, if your PAN has been updated in the bank's central CBS, then they will be able to provide you the TDS certificate that they might have deducted from your account. So if you forget to submit this 15G and 15H forms and the bank has deducted those TDS amount, then they will provide you with the TDS certificate at the end of the financial year. They will provide you the TDS certificate. By taking those TDS certificate, you can visit any of the CA or any person who can help you out with those income tax return filing procedure, and you can simply file income tax return. If your income is not taxable, then that amount will be refunded by income tax authority under article 194A of Income Tax Act. So this was all about those TDS deduction rules. Hope this video will help all of you. Thank you.